Now this next one here, we're going to have to add and subtract with unlike denominators. We're going to do a few examples with that because they are quite the doozies often. Yes. All right, but there are some steps that we can write down that will help us attack these excellent problems. All right, so the first one is we want to factor our denominator. So we look at the first one. Can't factor that. Ooh, difference of squares here, so let's rewrite the problem. I have x over x minus 2 plus negative 8 over x minus 2 times x plus 2. Sweet. Okay. Now the next thing we do, our next step is going to be what's it missing? So how would I make these two denominators the same? Well, this is just x minus 2. This is x minus 2 times x plus 2. So I'm going to build my least common denominator, and I know here I need to have an x plus 2. So my LCD is going to consist of the x minus 2 and x plus 2. Basically, I need to make sure that I see everything that I see in any of the denominators. I see one x minus 2 in each of them, so I got to have one x minus 2. I see one x plus 2 in this one, so I got to have an x plus 2. So that tells me I got to multiply this one by x plus 2 over x plus 2. Because I want to make sure that each denominator is the same. So now what I have here is x times x plus 2 over x plus 2 times x minus 2 plus negative 8 over x minus 2 times x plus 2. So notice now I have the same denominator. Yeah, I wrote them in different orders. I have x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, but multiplication is commutative, so it's all good. Each of them has this LCD, least common denominator. Now I can combine my like terms in the numerator. However, I've noticed I got to distribute the x to both of those first. So let's do that. So I have x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, and then I have this negative 8, and really I can just put it all over the denominator right now. I have x plus 2, x minus 2. All right, so we're doing pretty well here. So let's write down another step here. We want to multiply the numerator and denominator by the missing parts of the LCD. And then we'll distribute and combine like terms. Basically work with that numerator. All right, now lastly, what we're going to have to do is we're going to look for any kind of simplifications, but what I need to do first is I need to factor this numerator and check to see, can I cancel? So factor cancels our next one. And let's see here. In the numerator, I'm going to have x plus 4 times x minus 2. And I'm doing this without even doing the whole x method, the AM method. I'm just doing it right in my head, like Jason Derulo. Okay? And that's good. You got to get fast at this stuff because there's going to be a lot of factoring in this chapter. So I have x plus 4 times x minus 2. 4 negative 2 gives me negative 8. 4 minus 2 gives me 2. All right, do I have anything to cancel? Absolutely. Boom. And I'm left with x plus 4 over x plus 2. In my final answer, I should never have parentheses or anything like that. I should have everything multiplied out. So if nothing cancels, like if these didn't cancel, I'd have to multiply everything back together and write it out. But here it canceled. I'm left with these. This is right here is my answer. I'm done. I'm good to go. Now I know that was a long process. We've got 5 steps right here. Boom, 5 steps. Make sure you have those written down. There will be one more that we'll add later on depending on the problem, but those are the main 5 steps for now.